Hello there, I hope you're doing well. Today let's look at the cloud solution provider options from Acronis. It will help you to become a cloud solutions provider, and Acronis has different options for cloud. So why are we here? So you can probably look at providing cloud solutions for your customers in a very simple way. So that is what we are going to discuss right now. And we have the solutions called Acronis Cyber Protect. It is a solution which also combines security and protection. And what exactly is it? It is an all-in-one cyber protection solution that integrates backup and recovery and disaster recovery and multiple options. It is very interesting technology. Cyber protection provides the following functionalities. As you can see in the screen, it can provide backup, recovery, and patch management, reporting, health monitoring, remote management. So many options. Let's see different features. The disaster recovery allows you to protect your local environment from disasters. So it is a very easy interface. We will have a demo and we can have a look at how these functionalities help you. Also, it has an anti-malware and protection capability that also will protect your organization with a single window, which can also help us to back up your resources. We have an auto discovery feature wherein the machine in the network can search for other machines and we can deploy the agents very easily and we can manage. Also, there is vulnerability assessment tool which helps you to assess your security posture. And again, patch management, it's very easy, and we can patch your devices easily from the same console. We can have a control of health of the hard disk which is connected, so that it can prevent the crash, and also health monitoring is a good solution. Again, remote management, we can manage the devices. Okay, let's start by googling Acronis. Now we'll go for a trial. That's for it's for 1 month, and please provide your details and let's log in. This is a CSP's console, as a cloud solution provider console, and we are in the console and we have activated the account using the email which we received. You can see the basics here. Please try it yourself. Please set up your branding so that your your identification is clearly mentioned, and please set up two-factor authentication for additional security, and you can add more admins for you. Let's create our first customer, and we can assign a 30 days trial for this customer. Let's give the highest protection plan called Cyber Protect Disaster Recovery, which covers all the features. Now let's select the services required. We can even specify the number of devices or number of services required. There are so many options. Please try it yourself. And there are more options like Office 365 backup, Google Drive backup, and all that is there. Now please create an administrator for the customer, and they will receive an email and they can also log in from the same system. In the same console, you can also manage as a CSP. Now let's manage the customer's resources from your admin portal by clicking on Manage Services. This is an overview of the screen which also is accessible by the customer. Now let's add some machines. Let's start with Windows 10 VM. Just go to add device and pick up this installer and download and install it on the virtual machine. It downloads and the software again updates and installs. And now let's register the machine. We can use the customer's credentials to register the machine, or there are other options like code and all that. So now we are in the console and let's confirm the registration. Now the console shows a basic idea of this customer, and we can see one machine. Let's protect that machine. Click on this machine and click on protect, and we have different options. We will go for the AV option so that the antivirus also is applied on this machine, anti-malware. There are so many features like recovery, you can see there, patch management, all that you can see later. The scheduled task based on the plan we provided will be run, but then I am running it manually. Yes, the backup is started and it's very fast. The entire VM will be backed up, or the machine will be backed up. Now we'll try for disaster recovery. I opted for cloud only option, and now I will go to the VM of my machine and click on disaster recovery tab, and then we will have to create a recovery server. That's the one going to help us in case of a disaster. So yes, it's ready, and you can click on failover for testing failover, which probably can be done later. Now let's look at the Cyber Protect agent settings. We have some settings like what is the scanning, and based on your requirement we can set up all that. Now there are some other options in settings. It's good to go and have a look at it. Let's go to devices and see there are so many options to add other devices and services also, which we had seen a little earlier too. There are more services, adding hypervisors. If you are adding VMware servers, the host, we need to install it on the VMware host as an agent or as an OVF file. Now there are more. Let's now set up Office 365 mailbox backup. Click on Office 365 and provide the credentials, and it will be approved or assigned. Now we can see the mailboxes on the console. There are other settings also, please have a look at them. Now I have done the backup. Let's try to retrieve some emails. Click on recovery and then go to the email which you wanted, and let's recover. Yes, we can recover to original location or in a custom location. There is no problem. It's very easy. Now the backup is done meanwhile, and again we have options for recovery as an entire machine or files or folders. Also we can run it as a VM provided we have a VMware infrastructure running. Now I am trying to retrieve a file. Yes, I have found the file, so I can retrieve it to the location wherever I require. Now let's go to patches. One machine requires some patching. It's very simple. Click on the patch and then just follow the instructions. We can even patch non-Microsoft software also. Click on the patch and say rebooting option you can provide, and it will patch. I hope you got a basic idea about the capability of the solution. Please test it yourself, and please feel free to talk to your distributors or Acronis. It will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead. Take care.